So Scott's Maphuma has finally apologized to his fans. He's apologized to all those that he has offended with his unnecessary remarks and statements that showed very little respect for his fans. So Scott is still an upcoming artist, as much as he has gained fame and been invited to the biggest of the big gigs. Oxalayo, he's only been in the game for a couple of months, and he seems to still need more education on handling his celebrity status. So all this came after the popular Amapiano artist was totally ignored by his fans at two of his gigs while he was performing. And after that, he got some terrible comments after a poster that was distributed by DJ Shimza, who was notifying his own fans about his birthday celebration, which was planned for this coming weekend at Timbisa. So DJ Shimza also stated that Scott would be performing, and all hell broke loose on the comment section, with many speaking negatively about Scott. So Scott got with the big boy in Amapiano, Maphorisa, and they went live to introduce their new track, but most importantly, to apologize to the masses. Take a listen to this.
Frustrating. But it's coconut challenge.
Forgiveness. Wow, forgiveness.
Yeah, bawang ko titing sorry. Give misunderstanding. Serious, give misunderstanding.
Pare, fine. How can I
Like how can I Scott's already the attitude. How can I? So, eh?
Decided or was a
Yeah, peace merchants.
Why
Hello, na kilwana libo, ngabana kidi balloon, ngabana ka device. Peace merchants. Yeah, na kilwana libo, na kilwana balwana nglen no. Aban.
I don't know about all this. I feel like oh sorry. Hapo wena urubile like go. I don't know what sorry. Hindi na go si zinya na chimo.
Since ke ete, ka di ete khotman.
Sorry. So take 2 minutes para na phone na sorry.
No, I can serious. It's very Alpa Misi, Alpa Myro. Body pepe, papa. Ay, bo. Uta.
So the young man seems to have an attitude problem here, probably naturally. But I think business and music have now been explained to him, and he now understands that his fans are his money. So the music he makes is not for himself, but for the people. Now, to wait and see how South Africans will respond to his apology. What's your take, South Africa? Is Scott's Wama attitude forgiven? So, Mina personally, I'd say let's wait and watch to see if his apology is genuine. Let's see if his manner and his approach will change towards his fans. And that's it from me for now, and I'll see you again very, very soon.